In the smoldering ruins of what was once the American judicial system, a new order is rising, not from the halls of Congress or the courts, but from the bold, innovative minds of Silicon Valley. Gone are the days of overworked public defenders, years-long trial delays, and the quaint notion that justice is a public good. Say hello to a legal system streamlined, monetized, and optimized for a new era of on-demand adjudication. This is DOJ.com, your paywall to justice. For centuries, justice was an opaque, bureaucratic process, slow, inefficient, and constrained by outdated principles like due process and equal protection under the law. But in today's dynamic post-governance economy, speed and certainty matter more than archaic notions of fairness. DOJ.com is the first fully privatized on-demand adjudication platform, leveraging cutting-edge algorithmic litigation, dynamic fee structures, and tiered access prosecution models to bring legal outcomes into the modern age. No more waiting for overwhelmed public defenders, election cycle prosecution bottlenecks, or judges bogged down by archaic legal precedent. Fully staffed by former government attorneys who left for principled reasons, we are uniquely positioned to facilitate your federally approved jurisdictional transfer. And as part of the sunsetting of the federal judicial system, we are waiving initial enrollment fees to our subscription model. With DOJ.com, justice is no longer a slow, uncertain process. It's a streamlined, scalable, and fee-based service. The market has never been riper for justice as a service. As government institutions hemorrhage personnel and legitimacy, the demand for alternative adjudication solutions has skyrocketed. Corporate compliance officers, high-net-worth individuals, and international financial entities no longer trust the state to deliver predictable legal outcomes. Meanwhile, public polling shows that 62% of Americans prefer quick resolutions over fair trials. For investors, this is your opportunity to get in at the ground floor as well, taking advantage of an unprecedented financial opportunity, as well as securing access to our platinum-level immunity services. DOJ.com is uniquely positioned to dominate this $1.2 trillion disrupted rule of law sector by disintermediating the legal system itself, cutting out inefficiencies and allowing users to pay for customizable adjudication experiences. Our multi-tiered service offerings ensure that justice is accessible to all, at the price point they can afford. From basic plan plea deals and AI-mediated settlements to white-collar plus insurance and statutory exemption bundles, DOJ.com offers a diverse portfolio of legal solutions designed for both individual consumers and enterprise-level clients. For corporate partners, bulk dismissal pricing models, preemptive indemnity audits, and verdict swap real-time plea substitutions eliminate costly legal uncertainties. Meanwhile, our Justice Cloud backend, powered by Palantir, ensures seamless integration with existing compliance and risk management systems. Whether you're a startup founder looking for proactive SEC violation mitigation or a multinational seeking jurisdictional arbitrage through decentralized pools, DOJ.com has you covered. Beyond our core offerings, DOJ.com is building the future of law itself. Our proprietary Fairness Engine version 3.1, calibrated to investor sentiment and quarterly earnings targets, replaces inefficient human judges with machine learning adjudication models. JurorDAO, our decentralized tokenized jury pool, allows users to stake Ethereum to vote on case outcomes, a democratized approach to verdict rendering that aligns direct economic incentives with legal decision-making. And with our Verdict NFT marketplace, high-value legal precedents can be bought, sold, and leveraged as blockchain-verified assets, ensuring long-term liquidity in the justice sector. The road ahead is clear. By 2026, DOJ.com projects a $180 billion valuation, driven by rising white-collar crime rates and declining government oversight. Our IPO strategy, modeled on the successful SPAC merger pathways pioneered by defense contractors and fintech platforms, will position DOJ.com as the category-defining entity in privatized adjudication. Let's not kid ourselves, justice was never free. We're not the first to ask how much you are willing to pay, but we are the first to offer you the predictability of a monthly plan. Pardon packages available now? Act fast.